Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you my shop where I'm teaching for the Baduk. I have been resting for 4 months and starting from last Sunday I started to teach. So this is my one of the small shop. This is the reception. Yeah. And yeah, here you can see there are 2 boards, right? 1 table, and even you can see the whiteboard, and there are even some Korean spelling, because even I'm teaching Korean language as well. And there are cups. The many cups are from me. I just started to join the competition from about 4 years ago in Hong Kong, and some cups are from other teachers. And yeah, even there is one more table, so it's like this. And also you can see inside, and it's nothing special. And just follow me inside. Inside the room is for small kids, so they can sit on the chair, on the floor. It's like a Korean style, and even there are many dolls, yeah, because kids likes it. And whiteboard as well. Another side, this is shelf and bookshelf. There are many books, and here are one more table for 2 board, and even you can see the small board as well, and some board game. And if you see some inside of the shelf, what's that? There are many Baduk books. Yeah. So I think maybe, I'm not sure, total books I think should be more than 1,000 books, because we need to keep it first. Yeah. So they are all new books. And yeah, if I just go to outside, it's like this. Quite small, right? Yeah, because Hong Kong all the shops are quite small. And this is a student level. Yeah. Whiteboard. And even the photo of there is my photo, and here is our student photo. You can see that, right? Yeah, something like this. So because many people wanted to know how I'm teaching and where I'm teaching, so this is my shop. Just I wanted to show you. One more thing I didn't show you, and here in front of the door there are many doors. If you see that from outside, then you can feel that might be attractive to kids, right? Yeah. Okay, everybody. Then, if I can find anything else, then I'm gonna show you another time again. I can show you again. Then, thank you very much. Then see you guys next time. Bye bye.